Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArkLaTexHomepage.com as well as the ArkLaTexHomepage.com app. And looking at the weather pattern, that big upper level low that has been producing all the rainfall for us recently, finally moving away. We are seeing the sunshine return to pretty much all of the Arklatex this afternoon, and with upper level ridging to our west settling in, that's going to allow for a warm up this weekend, also the continuation of that sunshine. Before we talk about that sunshine, let's give you an update on area lakes and rivers. Here are the latest forecasts from the National Weather Service. Start you off with the Red River, as we are looking at another crest coming downstream. This one expected to reach Pecan Point north of DeKalb. As we look ahead to Sunday, you can see a crest of 24.5 feet. That is a half foot above flood stage. Downstream in Shreveport, looking at the river staying below flood stage, as that crest will likely get here sometime towards the middle of next week. You can see as of right now the crest forecast a little bit below 28 feet, so it looks like the river will stay below flood stage in Shreveport. We are looking at the river at Grand Ecore north of Natchitoches, cresting at 34.1 feet. That will occur Sunday. Right now the river is sitting at about 33.6 or so as it slowly continues to rise. So another half foot rise there on the red at Grand Ecore. Caddo Lake expected to crest at 173 feet. That is expected to occur this weekend Sunday. That is about a half foot above where we are right now. Lake Bistineau also about another half foot or so, maybe a little bit less than that, as we're looking at a crest at 143.5 feet. That also expected to occur Sunday. And Wallace Lake south of Shreveport, again flood stage 151, it's now approaching 153 feet, expected to crest 154 feet tomorrow. So that's the latest on the area lakes and rivers as far as the bigger rivers and bodies of water across the Arklatex. And once we get past this weekend, most of the area lakes and rivers should begin to fall. Now the good news is we have showed you the disturbance in the upper levels of the atmosphere moving away. You can see at the surface we do have an area of high pressure which is going to be moving across southeast Texas during the next 24 hours. It's going to bring lots of sunshine, and with a west to southwesterly wind on the top of this high circulation, the combination of that sunshine and that wind will produce a nice warming trend here as we go through the weekend. Here's a look at a snapshot of tomorrow, looking at a chilly night tonight, as we'll see the light wind tonight, which will allow temperatures with a clear sky to dip into the mid-30s, looking at 36 in Shreveport, 34 in Texarkana, 36 degrees. Also for the low temperature in Marshall. Daytime highs tomorrow should rebound back up into the low to middle 60s, about 10 degrees above, if not more, than what we've experienced today. Looking at 63 in Magnolia, 65 in Marshall, and 65 also for the high temperature in Natchitoches. Looking at Robin Sawyer to Futurecast, you can see the clouds, what's left of them, moving out of the Arklatex as we become clear. During the nighttime hours tonight, we will see a clear sky all across the area for your Saturday. Going through Saturday night, we will once again see a clear sky, but temperatures not quite as cold, with the lows for the most part in the 40s. And then Sunday, another nice day as we close the weekend with plenty of sunshine. You can see just a few clouds off to our north and west. These clouds associated with the next disturbance, which will give us a slight chance for a little bit of rain as we look ahead to probably Monday. Here's a look at the week ahead as far as the upper level weather pattern. You can see that ridging keeping us dry for the weekend. There's that very weak disturbance. Most of the precipitation will fall to our north, but we'll see a slight chance of rain here Monday. Going through the rest of the work week, pretty much dry. We will see possibility for some rain. You may have seen that disturbance Thursday night, Friday, as this system right here will usher in some cooler temperatures as well, as we start to see a little bit more of a pattern change heading into the last half of January. What's going to take shape is, you can see the ridging starting to take shape here along the west coast. We'll see more troughing here across the east, and whenever that happens, we kind of see these occasional surges of cold air. So that's something that we might see, again, longer range moving towards the end of January and into the month of February. But the next 7 days looking pretty nice, as we'll see a great weekend for early January. 65 tomorrow, 68 degrees in Shreveport for Sunday. We will see that slight chance of rain Monday. Another possibility for some showers early next Friday, with a little bit cooler temperatures, 70 Monday, and then back to the mid-50s in Shreveport by the end of the work week. In Texarkana, you're looking at sunshine this weekend, close to 70 Monday. You'll be back into the lower 50s by the end of the week, and you too will have that slight chance of rain Monday, and again, a little bit better chance for some showers as we look ahead to next Friday. So all in all, after, again, very soggy start to the new year, we are looking at the second week of January looking a bit drier. So we'll see plenty of sunshine for the weekend and above normal temperatures until the end of next week.